Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. I am currently sitting outside and I got this in, I think, Saturday. This is my first time ever getting a Sephora Play box. And I've only seen one video reveal from this, and that was from Alexandra Ryan, and she got a lot of the things that I got except for two items. She got an IT Cosmetics powder and a different perfume, but basically everything else that she got in her box was the same except for, and the shade of one of the products was a lot different. And I am sitting outside. The sun is directly over me, so I'm going to try and fit you in the box. See how I can do this so that I can see. And what I did was, like I do with my Ipsy unboxings or unbaggings, is I do go through and write down what the full size of the product is, and what I didn't write down, because I didn't write down the size of the actual products or figure out how much they're worth on the paper. So I will leave that in the description box below, along with the links to any of these products. And of course they come from Sephora, so I will most likely just be linking them directly from the Sephora website. Alright, so the bag says "Make It Snappy" on the front, and it has these really pretty Kelly green ribbons. And I thought for a minute that they were going to come out because of this, but literally all you do is just kind of, and it's tied. So I thought that was kind of cool. And it gives me 50 Beauty Insider points on a little card on here, but the nearest Sephora is about an hour and a half from where I live. So I don't know if there's a time limit on this thing to use it. I haven't even pulled it off. All right, so it says I have until May 31st to use my card. So hopefully I can get a motorcycle to work before then. So I'm going to start off with the perfume. I have sprayed this once to smell it, and it says a fragrance created by Ashley Olsen and Mary Kate Olsen. This is from Elizabeth James. It says it's called Nirvana White. It says Mugget, Peony, and Musk are the flavors that are in here. And I definitely smell the musk. I don't know what Mugget is. I have to look that up. But it's a really musky fragrance, and I do like musky fragrances. But the only thing is once I sprayed it, the stream was really weird on it, and the little plunger on it to actually push down to spray had leaked everywhere. So it was all over my finger. It was running down my hands. It was running down the vial itself. So of course, I rubbed that on my neck. And then the spray that was on my hand, usually what I do is I'll put my arm down about my waist and then kind of spray that way so that it kind of gets on my clothes. And then I just press. You never want to rub a perfume, because it changes the, I don't want to say chemistry of it, but it warms it up too fast, and it does change the fragrance of it. So if you just kind of dab your palms, or your pressure points together, it does disperse the fragrance from one wrist to the other, and you're not changing the scent of it. So that was nice. The next thing I got was the Makeup Forever Professional Paris Ultra HD Protector. It says blurring skin tint with sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 25. I got the shade number 8. Now, when I looked online to see what the shades were, because I wanted to see what shade 8 was, because you never know with some companies what numbers, mean, especially if you're not familiar with the brands, which I'm not. I think I've got a mascara from Makeup Forever, and that's it, and it came from an Ipsy subscription. So this is actually a really dark shade. My dad is half Native American. My dad is actually half Native American, and he's in the sun every day, all day at work, and he's dark compared to me. He's really dark, and this is too dark for his complexion. And when I looked at and it came open, it didn't come with a seal or anything on it. I'm just gonna take off the extra that was and it's actually in the lid too. And I'm gonna just see how dark that is. I mean, let me see if I can shear it out some. It's shiny too. It looks like glitter on my hand. Let me see if I can show it to you better. And I don't have any makeup or anything on. It actually looks like something I would use as a bronzer, but it's shiny. There's actually like a shimmery effect on it. And I honestly, even in the direct sunlight, I don't think it's coming across. But I can definitely see the sheen on my hand, which is really strange. What I'll try and do is take pictures of it. I'll take a picture of it and then add it to the video so that you can see if I can get the shimmer to actually show up in a picture. But it should. I mean, this almost looks like a dark highlight. So and I guess I should do this. The Perfume is $85 for 1.7 ounces, but they have a purse size, which is 0.34 ounces or 10 mils, and it's $28. And this one here is 2 milliliters, so it is like a 20th of their purse size. So this, I guess, would be about $2.80. The Makeup Forever full size is 1.1 ounce, and it's $36, or it's 30 mils. This is 5 milliliters, so or 1.16 fluid ounces. So this is about 15%. So this would probably be about worth $3 too. I'll just leave the paper out. All right, the next item is the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. And like Alexandra, I got the same SPL shade, which is a baby pink, which is really pretty. It would be nice to like put over something that is too dark. And it is very, very, very sparkly. And that's one reason why I wanted to do this outside, is so you could actually see how sparkly and glimmery it is. Now, the full size of these is 0.23 ounces or 7 milliliters for $20. And let's see, do you have a size on you? It says this is 1 milliliter or 0.3 fluid ounces. Or excuse me, 0.03 ounces. So it's 1 milliliter, so it's a 1/7 of the normal size. But it's a really pretty sheer, like I said, baby pink lip gloss. And I don't know how well it'll show up out here. And it smells like peppermint. Just like an Andes Mint. And I mean, just like an Andes Mint. And it is kind of cooling and tingly on the lips. Now you can actually see it. You see the little sparkle bits in it. It's very shiny. Not very sticky, but heavier than a normal chapstick or lip balm, but minty like you would have in a natural chapstick or lip balm. So I really like that, and I like the fact that you can, and there's a bunch of different colors that you could use it over a regular lipstick or a liquid lipstick. Now, I'll have to try it over a liquid lipstick and see if it changes the consistency, because you figure with a liquid lipstick that's matte, anytime I've ever tried to put anything under them or over them, it changes them so that they don't ever dry down. So that's one thing I'll have to test out. The next thing is from Peter Thomas Roth. It says Skin to Die For, No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Blur Perfector. Now, the full size of this is 1 ounce or 30 milliliters, and it's $28. This is 0.25 ounces or 7.5 mils. So this is a quarter of the natural size. And I'm actually using a Peter Thomas Roth anti-aging face wash right now, and I really love it. And this one actually is sealed. I'll go ahead and pull the seal off. And it's like a light beige color. And I squeeze it and let go, and it like goes right back in the tube. So it's just about the same color as my skin. I don't know how well you can see that. Very soft. It almost feels like the Professional from Benefit. Same about the same shade as well. And it's like super soft. And it kind of evened out the skin tone on my hand, and I'm like really dry here, and I had some rat scratches and whatnot, but it kind of like moisturized that dry area on my hand and blurred out, you know, because if you see, I've got a lot of green in my skin, so it kind of like evened that out a little bit more. So that's nice. I will have to try that. Let's see, this is from Purity Made Simple. It's a moisturizer. Philosophy says Purity is finding balance and embracing our true selves. Ultra lightweight moisturizer with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural oils. This is 7 milliliters or 0.25 ounces. The full size is 4.7 ounces or 141 mils, and it's $25 for the full size. Says in 3 days, see makeup optional skin. Says skin looks glowing, dewy, and smooth with less visible pores. Interesting. And my dad's home. And this one didn't have a seal on it either. So I'm going to try it on this hand, because this hand is really dry. And of course the dog just ran in front of my dad's work truck. Has a nice light fresh fragrance, kind of tacky. I'm not quite sure what that fragrance is. Alright, so it has shea butter in it, meadow foam sea oil, coffee seed extract. Okay, so it has bitter orange peel extract. That's probably what I'm smelling, that slight hint of citrus, which is nice. I like citrusy smelling products. My Peter Thomas Roth face wash is actually a citrus fragrance as well. Put two things back in the bag so it doesn't float away. Okay, so this is Fresh Lotus. It's from Fresh. It says Lotus Youth Rescue, a Youth Preserve Rescue Mask, Seaweed Radiance Facial. It's 15 milliliters or 0.5 ounces. The full size is 3.3 ounces or 100 milliliters for $62. Wow, that is expensive. It says Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask, and that is all that's in English. It is a 5-minute facial designed to combat signs of tired and overstressed skin, revealing incredibly smooth and radiant results after just one use. It says apply a generous layer using circular motions and let it work for 5 minutes. Add warm water and massage the skin, then rinse well. Can be used 2 to 3 times a week. It says the color of the formula may vary slightly due to the natural ingredients, which is nice. And all the ingredients are listed on the bottom of the box. It has coconut shell powder in it, which is probably the exfoliant. Lemon peel oil, fig fruit extract. Man, there's a bunch of extracts in here. Cucumber fruit extract, carambola leaf extract, something I can't pronounce. Another thing I can't pronounce, hibiscus fruit extract. It's got tocopherol acetate in it, which is vitamin E. No, sir, don't rub your face on that. No. Cats. It does have a couple of alcohols in here, but nothing out of the ordinary. And I just used a brand new face mask on my face last night that came in my Ipsy bag, so my face is like super sensitive right now. Here comes a little seal. That smells like straight up seaweed. And you can definitely see all of the natural ingredients in it. Yeah, it smells like seaweed and a lotion mixed together. So I will have to use a little spatula with this guy to get it out. But it's a cute little jar. It's plastic. I thought it was glass for a minute. And there's a little thing on the bottom. It says, lift here. So I guess there's more information on the bottom, which is nice that it's, you know, if you accidentally throw the box away, you have the information on the actual product. So that is everything that I got in my Sephora Play box, or, you know, bag, box, whichever. I mean, it comes in a box, but you get a bag with it. Put everything back in. And on the outside of this, it says Instant Beauty Bucket List, and it's got like a little letter here, and it's got information on the side as well. That's kind of cute. I like that. So that's everything that I got in my Sephora Play. So anyways, I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. This is my first Sephora Play bag. I think I will enjoy all of the products in here. I will wait a few days before testing out this mask because, like I said, I just did one last night. I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you got in your Sephora Play bag. And I will see you guys in my next video. If you're not already a subscriber and you would like to be, then click the subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified when I post a new video, click the little bell icon and it will notify you when I post new content. And hopefully you guys have a great day or night wherever you are. I'm going to go get dinner and I will see you in my next video. Bye.